Pillow talking there, nigga, that snitch. I ain't been up on the block in a minute.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing my curly hair routine, and the product I'll be using is my Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Curling Gel. So first I'm going to start by taking down my hair, and I'm doing one braid at a time. I'm going to wet my hair with some water, not too much. And then I'm going to take a little bit of the gel and just apply it in my hair. Finger comb my hair because it's easier for me. And then I'm going to use a tangle teaser and just comb through my hair. And I'm going to repeat that for the remainder of my head until I'm satisfied with all my curls. Okay, so now I'm satisfied with all my curls, and I'm just applying lip gloss because I gotta keep that popping. So I'm gonna let my hair air dry a little bit before I try and, I guess use a blow dryer to get it dry a little bit. And now I'm just taking my Eco Gel and I'm laying some edges, y'all. I don't care what hairstyle I have to have some edges laid because I'm not letting nobody catch me slipping. And that's that. Okay, so now my hair is air dried a little bit, but it's not all the way dry like I need it to. So I'm going to take my blow dryer on the cool setting and I'm put it on low. And right now I'm just trying to dry my roots because that is what takes the longest to dry. The ends of my hair were pretty much dry at this point. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm grabbing my carrot aloe oil and I'm putting that on the ends of my hair because that's the oldest part of my hair and that's the part that actually gets dry the fastest. So I needed to hold that moisture and keep its curls. So I'm just applying that. I'm just scrunching it in there. I'm not really rubbing it. And then I went back in with the blow dryer to finish drying my roots as much as I can. And at one point I thought it was dry and then I put my hand on my head and it wasn't dry. So that was just a whole bummer. Eventually I put the blow dryer on high, and for like 2 minutes I had the blow dryer on warm just to make sure that my hair was all the way dry, because although it is hot outside in Miami, it is cold in this house. So now you just see me acting cute, and now I'm taking a comb and I'm fluffing out my hair. I left my pick all the way back in Maryland, so yeah. Alright, y'all, so that is my curly hair routine that I have been doing for like the past month. Well, without the blow dryer. I used the blow dryer today because I had to rush. Without the blow dryer, my hair would have took 2 days to dry completely like it is now. But if you have any questions, just comment that down below. And make sure to follow me on all my social media and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell. And I will see you guys in my next video.